Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Bluetooth drivers on Windows 11. To get started, you may need to install the right drivers for Bluetooth to work properly on your system. I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer. In this tutorial, I'll be using Chrome. Next, go to your search engine and type in Intel Bluetooth driver. Make sure you go to the official Intel website. Once you're on the Intel website, scroll down until you see the option for Windows 10 and 11 drivers. Since we're installing for Windows 11, make sure it's selected. Now, scroll down to find the latest package version. There may be a newer version available when you do this, but the process will be the same. Click on the version for Windows 11 to proceed to the download page. On the download page, under the Available Downloads section, choose the one that's for Windows 11. In most cases, it will be the top option. Click on it to start the download. You'll be prompted to agree to the license agreement. If you agree, click the box to proceed, and your download will begin. Once the download is complete, you'll need to find it in your File Explorer. Different browsers may store downloads in different locations, but typically it's in the Downloads folder. Open File Explorer, navigate to your Downloads folder and locate the installer file. Double-click on the installer to start the installation process. You may see a Windows security pop-up. If you do, proceed with the installation by following the prompts. Click next to move forward, agree to the terms if you're comfortable with them, and choose a typical installation. Click Install and the installation process will begin. Wait for it to finish. Once the installation is complete, it's a good idea to restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. That's how you can install Bluetooth drivers on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.